The H150i Elite features a vibrant LCD display. Inside, coolant flows through
The pump impeller is being injection molded from glass-filled polymer, a material chosen for its dimensional stability in hot coolant.
Unconstrained vehicles testing ಇದನ್ನ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ಕ ಬರ್ಬಿಂದ ಇದು ಚಾಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಫಿಲ್ ಕಡ್ಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಸಾಪಂಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತಿದೆ ಈ ಕಿಡಿಸ್ಗೆ.
Well, looking back, I suppose the real turning point was when we realized the limitations of the original design.
The potential difference between the copper and aluminum is evident here. Yes, the corrosion on the radiator fins is significant after only 500 hours.
We're maintaining 70 degrees at the base plate.
It's remarkable. The display integrity is holding perfectly.
Small form factor PCs with AIO liquid cooling achieve full performance with AIO cooling, whose radiator mounts in chassis locations unavailable to air coolers.
Streaming and broadcasting setups. Content creators who run CPU encoding alongside gaming, creating thermal loads that exceed what any single workload alone produces.
The AIO that installs in 30 minutes performs better than a premium air cooler and displays CPU temperature on an LCD screen.
The reliability is incredible.
The MTBF data shows it lasts over 5 years.
Exactly, it's a sealed system, no maintenance needed, it just works.
AIO coolant recyclability, the service life that reduces replacement frequency, and the engineering decisions that extend AIO operational life.
Corsair AIO liquid coolers operating invisibly in systems worldwide. Pump heads glowing, coolant flowing.
Just ignore that error message, it's a known bug. If you input the data visualization directly, it bypasses it.
Seriously? I've been stuck on this all morning.